everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, ever wondered how to access your web development projects on some different devices like phones, tablets? So, here's a quick hack for all the web developers. So, make sure that live server extension is installed in VS Code and then go live, click on go live button. Now you have the port number. Go on terminal. Go on terminal, then ports. Forward a port, then type the port number, click enter. And now you have the link. Click on the link, copy it. I accessed my project on my mobile phone using a port forward link. It's super easy to set up. And check out this toggle button, switch between dark and light mode instantly. So try it out and make your project mobile friendly.